workman's compensation, you mentioned that, I know that's something that you cover. What is it and how does it work?
Okay. Workers' compensation in Massachusetts is a wage replacement system. Okay, it's designed to give the injured worker lost wages when he or she is unable to earn the average weekly wage. Okay, so in Massachusetts, in the states are very similar. So I've done research in other states, but in Massachusetts, in order to be eligible for workers' compensation benefits, you have to meet a certain legal definition, and I'll give it to you. You have to be an employee who sustains an industrial accident arising out of and in the course of your employment, and as a result of the accident, you are disabled from earning the average weekly wage. So what does all that mean? Well, first you have to be an employee. You have to work for somebody, okay? And you have to be insured by that person who sustains an industrial accident. You get injured. Arising out of and in the course of your employment, that means it happened on the job, generally. And as a result of the injury, you are disabled from earning the average weekly wage. You can't earn what you were earning before. In other words, you're disabled from working. So that's really the concept is wage replacement. There are other benefits under workers' comp. For instance, you get paid for your lost wages, as I mentioned. You get paid for medicals. Okay, they cover your medical bills once you what we call establish the claim. You get paid for the loss of use and function. If you have a permanent loss of use and function of a particular body part, you can get paid for that. And you can also get vocational retraining benefits. If, as a result of the industrial accident, you can no longer work at what you were doing, they, in some instances, will have to be, or they can be ordered to retrain you for some other job. Okay. What you don't get in workers' compensation is you don't get all the pain and suffering, and you don't get what we call the loss of enjoyment of life. Those things you get in a tort case, okay? You don't get them in a workers' compensation case. And in workers' compensation, you are precluded by law from suing your employer. You cannot sue your employer. So,